After the lively harvest festival, the green forest began to change its colors.
Oh, this is the coziest spot in the whole forest. Good night, leaves.
Cool wind swept through the treetops, carrying golden leaves that gently drifted to the ground. A thin layer of mist covered Golden Monkey's farm on the hill, signaling that winter was coming.
Friends, it's time to prepare food for the winter. That's right. Winter is long. We need plenty of supplies.
How many watermelons, apples, and carrots do we have? I'll write everything down.
Stocking the food storage. Brown Bear carried heavy bags of potatoes and stacked them neatly.
Checking the watermelons and tomatoes, choosing the freshest ones for long storage.
Little Rabbit and Baby Squirrel sorted vegetables into separate baskets.
Wow! Our storage is so full this year!
We'll have plenty to eat when winter comes.
Careful! Hanging them high helps keep them fresh longer. By late afternoon, the sun set earlier than usual. The wind grew colder, brushing across the rooftops with a soft, rustling sound.
Well, it looks like we're ready for the winter.
I'm telling you, it was the biggest pumpkin I've ever seen. We almost needed a wagon just to move it.
You always find the best one.
Another perfect day here on the farm, wouldn't you agree?
It was fine, I suppose. I always enjoy the quiet moments like these.
They are the best.
Thanks to everyone working together, this winter will be warm and full. Yep, and full of delicious food. Everyone burst into laughter, their warm voices echoing gently across the farm.
Prompt 17 continuation. A final check inside the newly stocked pantry.
Brown Bear ensured every seal was tight against the coming cold.
Panda confirmed the premium produce was safely stowed overhead. Donkey thought about the long, quiet sleep ahead.
Little Rabbit immediately found the coziest spot for a rest. Baby Squirrel guarded his favorite treasure trove of nuts.
The collective effort had resulted in unprecedented abundance. A quick moment of congratulation passed between the strong worker and the meticulous planner.
Even the last few items needed teamwork to settle them in.
The last task was done. The farm was secured.
The forest delivered its final warning of the cold front.
I could stay here forever. Me too. It's perfect.
He felt the chill, but his heart was warm with certainty.
Inside, the food was safe, and the community was secure.
A winter full of warmth and delicious food awaited them all.
A toast to friendship and preparation.
The long winter had begun, peacefully and well prepared. As the world sleeps, the winter forest awaits the dawn. A quiet. And so the quiet beauty of the first snow transformed the old farm into a winter wonderland.
All right, team. Let's see what winter has in store for us today.
Whoa! Oh, it's snowing! Winter is really here! A silent winter had fallen upon the farm, holding it in a cold, beautiful sleep until spring's return. In the hush of winter's embrace, the world waits, dreaming.
As he slowly emerged from the warmth of the barn, a silent, sparkling magic had transformed the world around him.
This morning there was no snow at all, and now it's everywhere.
Even the chilliest of mornings held a certain magic here on the farm, especially when you knew who was coming to visit.
It does feel a bit lonely. But winter needs some warmth, too.
That's it! Let's go find a beautiful pine tree for Christmas. It will make the whole farm feel lively again.
I'll bring the rope and the sled.
Bundled tight and spirits bright, the three friends were finally ready for the adventure that awaited them just beyond the door.
The sturdy knot was tied with care, a promise of adventure and shared warmth on the snowy trail ahead.
With the sled packed and the morning bright, the three friends knew this was the start of their greatest adventure yet.
In the hush of winter's embrace, every snowflake whole.
And so the trio pressed on, guided by their enthusiastic leader, deeper into...
There's a whole area of pine trees over there. Let's check it out.
Even in the deepest snows of winter, the warmth of friendship kept them moving forward. Look closely, and you will see the exquisite beauty of winter, glistening in the soft.
Finally, after weeks of travel, the friends reached the Whispering Pines, a place more magical than they could have imagined.
Wow! Every tree looks beautiful.
We need one that's tall, round, and easy to carry home.
No, too sparse. Ah, this one is much better. Look at that shape. Absolutely perfect. We'll take this one.
One! It's perfect!
True friendship means pulling together, no matter how tight the knot.
With a heave and a ho, the tree was finally on the sled.
We did it!
The perfect tree, nestled safely on the sled, was finally ready for its magical journey home.
With a triumphant cheer, the friends pulled the sled closer to the warmth of the farm, their mission accomplished. Full of wonder, the friends approached the farm, where a warm welcome awaited them amidst the sparkling snow. The tree is so pretty! It's Christmas! It's Christmas!
All right, tonight we'll decorate it together. The whole farm will shine.
And just like that, the sadness lifted. The old farm was filled with a light.
As the snow fell gently upon the quiet farm, the grand tree stood ready. As the gentle light flickered to life, the warmth and spirit of the holidays filled the hearts of all the creatures in the wood.